welcome back to my channel, Glamour Has No Age. Today I thought I'd try on the Urban Decay Naked Wild West. I'm so excited about this new palette in particular. It's because it's a new formula, vegan. If you watched my older videos, you have known that I can't use Urban Decay palettes. I get chemical burns from them. But from this new vegan palette, I'm very happy to say that I can start buying them now, as long as they're in this formula. It looks like this. Probably seen a million things for it. I'll insert some swatches. And has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mats, 4 shimmers. I'm gonna go in with my blending brush into Standoff. I've already primed my eyes with Painterly. Then I'm going to go into Nudie, which is right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease. There is a lot of kick up. Then I'm going to take my blending brush, Detailed. I'm going to go into Whiskey, which is right here, and put that in my outer V. It blends well. Then I'm going to take my eye shading brush. I'm going to go into Wrestler, which is right here. And put that on the lid. I think it's a pretty palette. You can do neutrals. I like palettes like these because there's neutrals in here, and then there's pops of color. I'm gonna go off camera and finish up my makeup. That's it. That's my look. I really like this palette, and I think you will too. Neutrals, a couple of pops of color. It has everything in there. I'm glad I picked it up. I just hope Urban Decay does more with this formula. and either makes their old palettes into this formula or creates new ones. But I like it. If you picked it up, let me know your thoughts down below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.